Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit page transition in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file and first I'll select this PDF file page transition. Select view option. Now select your full screen mode and see this PDF file as page transition only for first two pages and see this other pages not and see this and I'll add page transition all of these pages. Click this sidebar arrow and click paste command icon and click here right button for your mouse and here you will find this paste transition option. Click here and I select all pages. This is I'll add fade transition solo all of these pages. Now select OK and select here save and select view option full screen mode and see this faded paste transition now added and see this and this is it and also I'll change this paste transition. I'll add this blinds of this box here. Select all page OK and view full screen. See this box paste transition now added. Yeah, this is and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.